Spirit be with us now.
We call upon His Excellency Dr. William Ruto and Deputy President His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua to end the bickering between their supporters as it is threatening to split the country. Please just stop it and let's concentrate on why we were elected and serve our Kenyan community. Finance bill is for all Kenyans. Whatever name you are giving them, that name you are giving them, they are Kenyans, and I think they should all be accepted to deliver their memorandum because they are Kenyans of interest. Finance bill is going to be for them, and it will benefit them and will benefit all Kenyans. What's our stand? Every Kenyan is allowed to present his memorandum on that, his argument, his thought line, so that it can be received and look at it and agree that this is our finance bill, not a different country finance bill.